good project to try out your hand tools on, but I was heading in that direction, was running out of time, so I decided to go with power tools to finish it up. The top is a little bit thicker than it needed to be, but that's because I didn't know how long I wanted to make the legs. So the whole thing is about 12 and 5/8, maybe 12 and a half inches high. So that's a pretty good height for a traditional fireside stool. This is made out of Peruvian walnut, which is a little more darker and richer than American black walnut. And I thought it was perfect for a project like this. And I left the legs to be a little bit beefier just because the top was so thick. So I left the corners there and rounded them over instead of making some wimpy round legs. I think it looks a little bit better. Anyway, this is a really cool project, and I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.